Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and we're going to make a giant egg bunny Easter basket using the stackable eggs from the Dollar Tree in the pastel colors. And I'm going to have them sitting on a nest of Easter eggs like that. So basically, I was thinking we could turn each one of the eggs into like a little Easter basket and have it all together for a large Easter gift. I do want it to look like a bunny though, so I'm going to take some of the Dollar Tree bunny ears. I found they're a little bit better this year. They are wired, but I do want to remove part of the headband because it's too large for that top egg. So what I did was just remove the fur from each side of the headband first, and then I can go in and break off the headband. I want to be able to attach the plastic headband directly to the top of the egg, but I also want a little tuft of fur up there too. So I left the fur around the area, and the Easter bunny ears are attached to the headband. So the fur will kind of hide that plastic headband, but it'll give me a good way to be able to attach this directly to the top of that top egg, which is going to be our first part of the Easter basket. I just used some hot glue and kind of bend it down a little bit so it takes the same shape as the top of the egg. And then I also went in and hot glued the fur all the way around so it all lays flat. And you could use any of the Easter bunny eggs. I kind of like the white and pink ones. The top one egg is kind of small, so I add a little paper shreds and one of the Tootsie Roll banks to that one. That's going to be our smallest part of the basket. For this second egg, I'm going to find some Dollar Tree finds. We got some socks, jelly beans, peanut butter eggs, and some gummy sharks, because that is a personal favorite of this recipient, and a little Easter cookie from the Dollar Tree too. I pop that part of the egg on, and while I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and add a ribbon using some of the Peeps ribbon from the Dollar Tree, and make a little fake bow. We are going to have all three parts of the eggs here and the nest too, but I wanted to do this while I was here. I just tied that around, dovetailed the ends, and making a faux bow using a zip tie with one loop. It'll be a little bit of decoration, but it won't interfere with being able to pop these different pieces apart for the gift recipient. Now this is the largest part of the egg basket. At first I thought I needed a top, so I cut down some cardboard here for the top so that the stuff in the egg above it wouldn't fall through. But then I realized I also needed to make a bottom to it, so I do end up removing that part. So you can skip that step. I just fill it with some paper shreds and some Dollar Tree finds. We got Slinkies, we got cotton candy. I like to mix in some bright colored paper and pens and some Krabby Patties, and they even have gift cards at the Dollar Tree now. And Amazon gift card, lots of Easter candy available at the Dollar Tree, and even a little jumping bunny. For the bottom of this egg, I'm going to use one of those flexible cutting mats from the Dollar Tree kitchen section, and I'm just going to cut off a little square here, hot glue that to the bottom, where I can then go in with my scissors. This stuff is so easy to cut that off where you won't be able to see it at all, but it will provide a bottom to the egg so it doesn't fall down into the nest below. So of course I do need to remove that cardboard from the top. And I think if I put enough paper shreds in there, everything will stay in place. So I'm going to pop this egg to our egg bunny. And now it's time to work for the nest on the bottom. I just picked up a white trash basket from the Dollar Tree, the wire one, filled it up with paper shreds, and I bought some of these beautiful pastel colored Easter eggs. These are nice and large, so plenty of room to stuff these with different candies and different things. If you wanted to mix it up, you could also add like dollar bills, something like that would be fun. I did an Amazon gift card for this basket, so I think that that will be well received. But you can also put other things in there, like how about a little chocolate Easter bunny? Kind of tall, so I worked that one all the way down to the bottom. One of their Easter cookies, and then we're going to keep filling it up with candy. You can also do like the little Easter erasers from the Dollar Tree. They're so cute, like bunny chicks carrots. Jelly beans are great for Easter. I don't want to fill it up all the way because I want there to be room to sit the bunny on the top. This is how it turned out. I think it is so cute. It's a nice large Easter basket using supplies from the Dollar Tree. If you would like more Easter DIYs, be sure to visit me at Crafty Beach on YouTube. And until next time, happy crafting!